Hi, welcome to the HardReset.Info channel. In this video I'll show you how to clean your Realme 9i USB charging port using household items. So remember one rule. Never use metal objects to clean the connectors so as not to damage the moisture protection and the charging mechanism itself. I suggest you use an old toothbrush which you no longer use. And there is something in my charging port that is preventing the charging cable from going all the way into the connector, and now we are going to try to clear it. To get it out, you need to take off the cover and take the brush in your hand. Then gently insert the one part of the brush in the charging port and try to pry out the dirt. So cool! Thank you for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye! See you!